niggas on me, gon' back it up. No matter what. Told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and I'm coming at you real quick with another video. If you missed my last video, I think it was Sunday. Yeah, it was Sunday when I dropped that video. It was basically telling you, preparing you for this GA trade, GBPAUD, all right, the pound AUD for those who don't know. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, seeing this video, please consider subscribing and liking, because I'm constantly updating you on what's happening in the market. Not just strategies, not just tips and tricks in the forex market, but I'm actually updating you on what's happening in the market, preparing you guys. All right, so I won't hold you long. This is a quick video. Let's go over what happened. A lot of people was in the comments saying that, oh, this trade is invalid, this is invalid. No. They just looking at a small piece of it. I'm gonna show you the bigger picture. All right, guys, so this is the daily chart. Now, I think a lot of people that was commenting talking about this trade is over, this trade is not working. I think they was just on a smaller time frame. And I just encourage you guys, when you're in doubt, when you're confused, always go to the higher time frame, don't go lower. So GBP, AUD, and look, I called out this inverted head and shoulder situation. So peep game, I'm gonna mark it out for you. Came down, came up, and now you can start to see it coming together. And here we are. So this is the inverted that I was telling everybody about. And from Sunday to, what today is, Joe? Tuesday. So from Sunday to Monday, it dropped. So maybe they was expecting to be instant profit. Maybe they wasn't accounting for fluctuation in price, you know, pullbacks. Look at this big uptrend, team. You see this big uptrend? Let me mark it up just in case you can't see my mouse. But do you see this big uptrend here? Was there not any pullbacks? You can clearly see it was an uptrend, right? But there were pullbacks along the way. And people would say that that's healthy for the market to pull back. So for you to not account for pullbacks in the lot size you take, you know, maybe you're over leveraged and you just couldn't handle the pullback. In the grand scheme of things, it wasn't that bad. So anyways, the market, you know, pulled back a little bit by Monday and then found that support level. Look at this right down here. It's still staying on this support level, which is around the left shoulder area. So what I do is I cut off the head, basically where the left shoulder is, and price is just constantly testing it, bouncing back up. Now you can either hold the trade as a swing trade up to the top if you want to. Get, you know, you pose it when it dipped down, that was the good entry for the buy. All right. So, or you can scalp it up along the way. And that's more my style. I'm just gonna day trade it or scalp it, whatever I choose that day, that direction. And I'm just gonna keep waiting for entries. Now, check this out now. On a head and shoulders pattern, inverted head and shoulders, whatever, regular head and shoulders, it's gonna drop down, but you're gonna get that pullback. Right? So here we go right here. Here's that little pullback from this downtrend. And then you can see price start making the head and shoulder, the inverted head and shoulder pattern. But this is key right here. This pullback level right here is the neckline. And that's where the real, you know, if you play it by the books, that's where the real entry is going to be for the inverted head and shoulder. It's going to be up here at this neckline. All right, right up in here. That's going to be the real entry. But my thing is, why wait? I've learned how to get in a better entry by just cutting off the head, by placing, you know, your horizontal lines or placing support at the left shoulder. And pretty much prices was going to come down on the right shoulder at that level. And there's your buy entry, your early entry. Now, Let me go ahead and take off the arrow here. And let's go down to the 4 hour. So here's the pattern still shaping up. And I wanted you guys to be able to get in at these lower levels here, because that's where you see price reversed in the past. Right at these levels in here. Double bottom, reversed, big time. Like demand zone down here. Same thing, a demand zone. Price comes back down here. It's constantly getting touched. So, you can make a case that it is getting weaker, or, but the more it keep getting touched, it's going to turn from a demand zone to a strong support zone. And you can see it just constantly keep getting touched and rejected. So when price broke this 50 moving average, let's go down to the 1 hour. This was your entry here. So this is 10 o'clock today. So you can leave all of this alone, right? Let me mark it up for you. Leave all of this alone because it's indecision right now. And if you following my 50 moving average strategy, which I'm going to link to the top at the top of this video, watch that video. When price broke this 50, I mean, that was entry for us. And I called this out for you Sunday. That's 83 pips. So many people from the team ate from this. That's 83 pips.
Oh my God.
You only need about 30 of it and make a good living off of it. The fact that I'm giving you the direction is key. So I'm going to keep you winning for a very long time, okay? So just follow the strategy. Watch it. Now go down to our 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see this is London. This is for London. This is today. You can clearly see how this played out multiple times, breaking that 50, giving you an entry over and over and over. The pullback, like I said, are you really going to think that price is just going to shoot up and never pull back? It's going to do that. It's going to do that. It's going to play on your emotions, but you have to be disciplined. That's where mentorship is key, because it helps you to endure and stay in the right mindset during these pullbacks. When people freak out, they close their trade and then they see it go in their direction. They don't have the mentorship, or if they do, they're not listening to it. But either way, I'm giving you the game. So from Sunday, I told you before any of this happened, wait for this to happen. And I also said, if you go back and watch that video, I also said, team, wait for that bearish, the bearish flag pattern, the bullish flag pattern, sorry, to break. And that's our entry. And Monday, it never broke. It just retested the trend line and dropped. It never broke. So there should never have been a buy. Okay. But now you can see the flag pattern has been broke, the bullish flag pattern, and it retested right on the trend line. Boom. Easy money. So either you're going to follow my 50 moving average strategy when it broke the 50, or you're just going to wait for the trend line break. But either way, I kept you on the right side of the market. So guys, I just want to recap and show you an update, not just telling you, like some of the people do, look at this trade, mark it up, and blah, blah, blah. You never hear from them again. But I actually want to give you an update. So guys, hang in there. There's going to be more trade setups. I'm going to keep lacing you up every week. And when there's news in the market as far as big moves is about to happen, expect me to pop up on here and lace you up, giving you the game. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.